Hello students, how are you all? So let's start with past perfect continuous tense today. So the structure of past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus your object. So the past perfect continuous tense, here we have used time expression, and time expression indicates duration of an action, how long the activity or the action had been done. So the child had been playing since morning. It means had been playing had been done in continuation since morning. This thing is in continuation, so that's why had been playing is used over there. So the activity started here and it continued in the past till the point it has finished. Just in the past means past में ही वो अगर एक्टिविटी फिनिश होती है और उस जिस ड्यूरेशन तक वो कंटिन्यू होती है, there we use past perfect continuous tense. And some more examples for time expressions are for, whole, all, how long, throughout, all alone. These are some examples where we can use past perfect continuous tense. So past perfect continuous tense is used to express the past action already started and continued up to another action or time in the past. When another action or time occurred before that, if any action has been continued for a duration, that time we also use past perfect continuous tense. Like we are having, we had been looking for the wallet for 2 hours, means had been looking, searching of the wallet had continued for 2 hours. That's why had been looking is used over there. When Susan found it, means it was already, when Susan found it, it is already finished. That activity had been finished in the past, so that's why we have used past perfect continuous tense over there. Now it is an event which finished just before another past event to express the cause of the second event. When you can see the cause or effect, means what is the cause? It had been raining all day. Due to this raining, the ground was wet. The cause is it had been raining all day, and what is the effect? The ground was wet. So here had been raining is used because this had been done in a continuation form for the whole day. Now in reported speech, they said it had been raining, and in bracket you can see they said it was raining. So generally when we are having a statement in past continuous form in direct speech and we have to change direct to indirect, then past continuous changes into past perfect continuous tense, and it will become it was raining will become it had been raining. Now some negative sentences in past perfect continuous form. Structure is subject plus had not plus been plus V1 plus ing plus your object. They had not been doing any work. She had not been dancing. We had not been going to school since April. Sonal had not been working on this project. Affirmative statement. Affirmative and negative is the part of assertive sentences. So these two are the parts of assertive sentence. So here I brought affirmative means a statement in positive form. The structure is subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing. They had been working since morning. Jane was tired because she had been working all day. We had been learning the French since last 1 month, and the children had been learning their lessons through e-learning. It means these activity had been continued for a duration of time in somewhere in the past. That's why had been working or V1 plus ing is used over there. Now how to frame interrogative sentences? The structure is had plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus your object. So had they been doing any work? Had she been writing a novel? Had you been working on the same project? Had Raina been learning dance since last month? So you can see that ing form is the indication of continuous tense. That's why ing is used over there, and had will come first, then your subject, then been, then V1 plus ing, then rest of the sentence. Now past perfect continuous. Nicole was exhausted because she had been painting all day. Now here also you can see the cause and effect. Had been painting is the reason, due to that Nicole got exhausted. So Nicole was exhausted. Exhausted is the effect. Why? Because she had been painting all day. All day is the time expression. It has been continued for a duration of time. We often use the past perfect continuous when we want to underline the duration of an activity in the past. Chris needed a holiday because he had been working hard for 6 months. So here also you can see cause and effect. For 6 months he had been working hard, that's why he needed a holiday. What is the cause? Had been working for 6 months, and what is the effect? He needed a holiday. Now difference between present perfect continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which started before now and has continued up till now. Means whatever is finished just before you are speaking, that is your present perfect continuous tense, and it continued for a duration of time. So I have been reading this novel for 5 days. Means till now I have been reading this novel. Still might be you are reading and you are in continuation up till now, or in the present, into the present. So that's why you've used present perfect continuous tense over there. But in past perfect continuous tense is used to express a past action which started in the past and continued to happen after another action or time in the past. Means when it is continued till another action occurred. We had been looking for the wallet for 2 hours when Suzanne found it. Means had been looking, searching of the wallet, continued for 2 hours, but it was found by Suzanne. So it has already been finished in the past. That's why we are using past perfect continuous tense. So one difference is, what is the difference? Basically the difference is, in singular present perfect continuous tense we use has with singular subject and we use have with plural subject, but in past perfect continuous tense we use had with singular and plural subject both. This is the slight or minor difference between present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous, as the duration needed here or in present also, in past also. Now thank you students and have a nice day. I think you might have got understood past perfect continuous tense. For any query you can drop me a message on my WhatsApp number.